Good morning, children. Welcome to your EVS class. Today we will continue with our chapter 16, Our Earth. Children, in the previous class we learned that we all live on Earth. Earth is also called the blue planet as the major part of the Earth is covered with water. We all live on land. We also learned about the different landforms like mountain, valleys and plains. And today we will continue with the landform like forest and desert. Children, we all know that the large part of the earth is filled with water. We need water to live. So, it is very essential for our extension. The water in oceans and seas is salty, while rivers and lakes consist of fresh water. Water is also stored as ice or snow. The water is also present in the ground. And today we are going to learn about the different water bodies like rivers, lake and sea and oceans. So children, now let's learn all the topics in details. Chapter 16, Our Earth, Part 2. Forests. Children, some parts of the land are covered with trees. They are called forests. It is an important natural resource. It is most important natural habitat for wildlife. About 1/3 of the world's land surface is covered with forests. Forests are very useful to us. Have a look at the importance of forests. Forests provide woods for buildings and furniture. Forests help in balancing the gases in the atmosphere. It keeps the environment cool and increases the chances of rainfall. Desert. Children, a desert is a very dry area. Part of the land covered with sand is called a desert. Desert gets very less rainfall. It generally gets 25 centimeter or less rain in a year. Children, there are hot deserts and cold deserts. Hot deserts are very hot during the day and have cold nights. The Sahara Desert is the largest hot desert in the world. Hot desert can be covered by sand or rock. Cold deserts are covered with snow or ice. Antarctica is a cold desert. Children, in the desert we can see very less animals. Camel is the main animal we see in a desert. They can live without water for a week. Water bodies. Children, the snow on the top of mountains melts and forms rivers. Some rivers form big lakes. Rivers flow and merge with seas and oceans. Seas and oceans are very big water bodies. Rain water also falls in these water bodies. For example, river, lake, sea or oceans. Children, Remember one thing, that we must not dirty the water in lakes and rivers. So children, this was chapter 16, Our Earth, part 2. Hope you all understood it. Please watch the video once more and try to understand it. Thank you.